Hello friends, in this video we will inform you about Ayvat Bendi Nature Park, located on the European side of Istanbul. In our content we prepared, Ayvat Bendi Nature Park, you can find answers to many questions such as where is Ayvat Bendi camping, how to go there, entrance fees and campgrounds. You can also support us by subscribing to our channel. Ayvat Bendi Nature Park, Istanbul. It is a nature park located in Eyüpsultan district. Located 9 kilometers north of Kemerburgaz district of Eyüpsultan, the area was declared a nature park in 2011 and is one of the 9 nature parks within the Belgrade forest. The nature park got its name from the Ayvad Dam, which was built by the 3rd Mustafa in 1765. It is possible to come across wild boar, golden jackal, deer, roe deer, fox, wolf, marten, hawk, magpie, crow, woodpecker, sparrow, finch, goldfinch, wild rabbit and squirrel species. Walking, jogging or cycling on the hiking trails is quite enjoyable. In the park, where there are tables for picnics, as in all parks in the Belgrade forest, it is forbidden to make fires and barbecue after a certain hour. Meanwhile, Göktürk social facilities, which are operated by Eyüp municipality and provide cafe-restaurant services called ESBA, are also included within the park. In Göktürk social facilities, you can find the opportunity to eat breakfast, kebab, pita and many kinds of food. There are facilities such as water, wash basin, parking lot, mosque. Since the park is built on the Ayvad stream, you have the opportunity to have a nice time by the stream and the pond. Let us tell you how you can go to Ayvat Bendi Nature Park, which leaves beautiful memories for its visitors with its magnificent nature from spring to mid-autumn. Ayvat Bendi Nature Park is located in Kemerburgaz within the borders of Eyüp district of Istanbul, right next to Forest Kemerburgaz Adventure Park. If you want to go to the park, which you can reach in about half an hour with your private car from the city Ikoy, by public transport, you have to use the ITT buses numbered 48 from the city Ikoy. Another method would be to get off at the T Izaga stop on the Yenikapi, Haysiusman metro line, and use the 48L and 48C ITT buses. After entering the Belgrade forest from Kemerburgaz, on the Kemerburgaz-Kırklareli route, after entering Basikoy, you can reach the area via Kemerburgaz Road. When we look at Ayvat Bendi Nature Park current entrance fees, it is 12 TL per person to enter Ayvat Bendi Nature Park on foot or by bicycle. You have to pay 24 TL for a motorcycle and 36 TL for a car. Entrance fee by minibus, 108 TL. Entrance fee by bus, 360 TL. After entering the nature park, if you want to visit the embankment and its surroundings or seek a quiet place in the forest, you can drive around the park by car. Let's just warn, the roads are off from the road track. It also gets very muddy. If you want to reach the dam, you have about 1.5 kilometers from the entrance. You can walk or go by car. If you ask if it is suitable for families with children, it is a great place where your children can spend time in nature as they wish. There is also a children's playground. When we examine the Ayvat Bendi Nature Park camping area, there is no distinction as a camping area. You can park your car wherever you want and set up your tent. We can say that it is the most beautiful place to camp in Istanbul, because you don't have to camp in a single area, so you don't have to set up a tent with other people. When we look at the facilities of the nature park, there is a sink, but there is no shower facility. It is not forbidden to light a fire, however, it is forbidden to light a fire on the ground after 2100 hours in the evening. Telephone and internet work in some places. There are also many wild animals in the park. Don't leave food lying around. By the way, you can also camp with a caravan. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of a video. If you have any questions that we missed or want to add, you can write them in the comments section. And you can also thank us by subscribing to our channel. We wish everyone a good time.